Hi, my name is Carrie. You might know me as K Warning or from my shop, 8-Bit Stitch. The time has come, friends. I hope I can call you friends, especially today, and I hope we remain friends after this video, because as I mentioned, the time has come to teach you a French knot. I'm going to be showing you how to do a French knot with 2 threads. That's my preference. So the basic motion of a French knot is to bring your needle up from the back side and pull your thread tight. You're then going to wrap your needle. I'm going to show you an option where you wrap the needle 3 times and an option where you wrap the needle 2 times. Now, the only real difference about wrapping 2 or 3 times is the size of your knot. And it's not really even a significant difference. So once you've got that thread pulled tight from the back side, you're going to wrap your thread around your needle. I've heard from other instructions that you go back into the hole that you previously came out of. I'm going to add a little anecdote here for what I recommend. I want you to catch just a little bit of the Aida next to the hole that you came out of. Now, the biggest frustration that I've come across while doing a French knot is getting it just perfect, pulling it tight through the backside and having the knot pop out from the backside through the same hole that I came up through. Super frustrating, and I have personally found that a way to avoid that is, again, to catch just a little bit of Aida with the needle next to the hole that you originally came out of. And once your knot is on top of that section, you're not even really going to be able to tell that you didn't go back through the original hole. And you'll probably notice from this video that I do kind of struggle while I'm trying to bring my needle back through that knot and through the Aida. That's because I'm holding that thread with such tension so that I keep the knot tight while I'm pulling the thread through. I'm going to show this again while I'm explaining again so that you don't have to rewind, replay, and I'll even show myself doing these French knots in slow motion as well a couple times for you. So again, you'll come up through the back side, you'll wrap your needle to your desired amount of wraps. You'll catch just a little bit of Aida next to the hole that you came out from originally. And then you're going to hold the thread just off the needle. And you're going to hold that tight. That's really important. Again, I'm going to slow this down and show it a couple more times for you. Now, I don't want anyone to be upset about what I'm gonna say next. So with French knots, the big thing is that practice makes perfect. You're just going to have to keep trying. It took me quite a while to feel like I had finally perfected the French knot. And I don't think there's any shame in that. We all start somewhere. Don't get frustrated if your knots aren't perfect right from the get-go. Stick with it, stay confident, and the trick to finally getting a perfect French knot is tension. Tension, tension, tension. Hold that thread. Don't just pull it and hope that it works out. Keep with it. Keep practicing. I believe in you. You can get this. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, click the like button. It will really help me know whether or not you're enjoying the content that I'm creating. Maybe even hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy stitching. I'm such a learn by doing person that it's hard for me to explain when I'm not actually doing it at the same time. Some frustrated French knot faces for my title screen.